Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Coco tuned in with another video skit. Well, y'all get into this chicken burrito I got from Chipotle on my lunch break, probably like 2 weeks ago. And I know y'all remember this burrito, baby, because it was going viral and it was on everybody For You page. Okay, but get into it. I had just got mine with the grilled chicken with rice. And I had got the black beans, rice and black beans, grilled chicken, lettuce, cilantro, tomatoes, onions, sour cream. Baby, yeah, it was giving heavy duty, baby. When I tell you I had to take one for the team for this burrito. Because, baby, I was supposed to be trying to watch my little diet. But, baby, I just had to try this burrito, okay? Now, when I tell you the flavors is amazing. The flavors is amazing in your mouth, okay? But I seen the one girl on TikTok. She said if you don't eat it with that sauce, you ain't eating it right. So I had to dip it in the queso sauce because I had me some queso dip with the chips, too. Baby, when I tell you it was a 10 out of a 10. And I saved the other half when I got home and put it in the oven. Made it crunchy. Oh.